Hey guys, welcome back to the ConfermentRM YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, getting ourselves back into a 2-minute technicals video looking at BTC. And as we can see, still ranging just in that wedge that we were kind of, anticipating. But if we do it on a little, if we zoom out a little bit on our chart, we can see that it is starting to form some sort of, little pennant to the, this is a bear pennant technically, because you have your flag down here and then you have your kind of condensing, and then usually that move is conducive of this width here downwards, looking to be around that $25,000, $900 region. But let's get ourselves more antiquated with what the chart would look like, for the day, if you guys are going to be trading inside this circle. We know what I mean, in a little chart right here. So what we can do, zoom in, go here to our 15-minute chart, and see what we have going on here for BTC. So we have a little bit of a breakout, obviously, from this little fall. You can go like this, throw this down to the bottom. You can see, guys, that tomorrow trading looks like if you can hold here around that 27,169, you're just going to get that another retest here of around 27,284. But I was kind of expecting this regardless, because you are breaking some moving averages here on the 15-minute as well as on the 1 hour. You can see we're above the 200-day moving average, and higher on the 4 hour. We are actually above the 200-day. So that 27,468 actually might be an interesting kind of wick to the upside. But inevitably, I think it'd be coming down. But you'd be more antiquated to that sort of price movement if we do hold this line right here, kind of our midway support, which actually lines up around the same on the 15-minute here, 20-day moving average as a support here, right there on that yellow line, that red line right there. So I myself will be looking at that. So we're going to want to hold at least right down to here, I would say around the 20-day moving average. But using perhaps the springboard, the 786, flying up here to around that 2618 region. So just be on the lookout for that sort of movement. If we are to fall from this said trajectory, actually, I wonder if I were to do something more like this, grab ourselves kind of a pennant like this. And I want to see if this actually makes sense to where it's going to go, right to there. So actually, yeah, that was meant to do that. Okay, so that was right up there to 27,284, obviously plus or minus 0.9%, just about, right? Yeah, 0.07, sorry. So if we want to go from there, holding around $27,169, we could get a potential up there to around 27,468, which would be a price movement from this point of plus about 1%, if you're wondering. See, everything looks a lot crazier because it's on a 1-minute chart. On a 15-minute chart, but obviously I'm super zoomed in, and as you can see, that's only a 1% gain. But it's moving in strides. It would be retesting the previous high made over here on May 18th and May 17th, just kind of getting itself wicked above there. So that's why I think it might wick, because the high was sent over here around 27,506 and 27,532. So it would just be a little bit lower of a higher low there. As you can see, you'd have your 3 peaks, and then I think it should meander itself back into the trend here, and then kind of finish it by Tuesday, and then we'll see it push back down to that low, I think around there, around 26,159 to 25,872. But just my thoughts, we're just meandering, and this is what's going to happen. It's going to be playing the range. It's being a washing machine. It's just how it is. But if you're able to play it, you can play the game. So hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate every single one of you. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just my opinion on how price moves, and just kind of gives you ideas on what I do when I make decisions on trading. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.